I'm going to be putting half cup of honey, that is 125 ml of honey. Next we'll be going in with 1/4 cup of oil. As you can see, 1/4, 62 ml of oil. So we'll be going in with half teaspoon of vanilla extract, one teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we're going to give that a good mix. We want to turn that very well. Look at how lush that is. Rolled oats. So we're going to add our mix inside it and stir that very well before adding in our nuts and the fruits. I'm adding the almond nuts. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of raisins in, and then we'll combine all this. If you have other nuts like cashew nuts, you can add it at this time, okay? This colored raisins that I have in the fridge, I'm going to be adding it as well. Our oats looks like, our granola looks like after mixing. We're going to be transferring it to the air fryer. There's already a parchment paper that I used for my coconut flakes. It's already there. We're going to be using the same parchment paper. So our granola mix is already inside the air fryer basket in a parchment paper, and we're just going to be putting it in there and air frying this for some time. I'm setting it to 100 and then for 20 minutes. Let's see how that goes. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to add the coconut flakes into it now, and then I'm going to allow that. So this is our granola after it has cooled down. Just take a look at how this is our granola, as you can see. So once it's done in the air fryer, you can also use a non-stick pan to fry this, but you will always be, turning it just so that it doesn't get burnt. But if you're going to be using an air fryer and an oven, once you're done, you bring it out to cool down, and once it cools down, it dries up and it's super crunchy. So I'm going to be storing this in an airtight container, and you can use it for any cereal of your choice, your parfait, your yogurt, and what have you.